that we understand the basics and importance of decision making, we are ready to build a practical framework. The first step in any sound decision-making process is accurately identifying the decision requirement. The importance of step 1. Think of it like this. If you're trying to map out directions to get somewhere, the first thing you need is to pinpoint your exact starting point and your ultimate destination. Similarly, before you can weigh options or choose a path, you must be crystal clear about the problem or opportunity you're trying to address. Distinguishing symptoms from the root cause. Often we initially perceive a problem based on its outward symptoms. Let's have an example. Symptom is your team is missing deadlines. Possible decision requirements: there might be a need to improve project management, hire additional staff, offer skill-based trainings, redefine the scope of current projects. See how several valid decisions could flow from the same initial symptom. That's why proper identification is crucial. Asking the right questions. To uncover the true decision-making requirement, ask yourself, what's the specific issue? Define the problem in concrete terms. For example, not just team performance is bad, but we consistently have late deliveries due to bottlenecks at X stage of the process. Who is impacted? Consider all stakeholders directly or indirectly affected by the problem, or who will be affected by the decision's outcome. What are my goals? What outcomes do I hope to achieve by resolving this issue or capitalizing on this opportunity? Then there are constraints. Are there any limitations on time, budget, personnel, or any other relevant resources I need to consider? The value of clarity. Dedicating time to this step provides these benefits. The first benefit we would have is the focus. You avoid wasting energy solving the wrong problem. Second benefit is alignment. Ensures everyone involved is working toward the same outcome. Coming to efficiency, it helps you select the most relevant decision-making tools and processes later. Wrapping up, never underestimate the power of a well-defined decision requirement. It sets the stage for success in all the subsequent steps for your decision-making journey. In our next lesson, we'll be discussing how to gather information you need to make informed choices. Until then, good luck and thank you.